You can see this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And turn off airplane mode and turn off airplane mode. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, done. And go to your phone settings and scroll down, tap on apps. Now search here WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, force stops. Okay, scroll down, tap on storage, clear cache. Okay, back and tap on permission option and allow all permission. First of all, call logs allow and camera allow. Another contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos, SMS. Check allow all permission. First to last allow. Okay, go back and go to your Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp update. Check your WhatsApp update. My WhatsApp already updated. Okay, done. And now uninstall your WhatsApp app. Again install WhatsApp app. Okay, back and now open your WhatsApp. Tap on three dot line option. Tap on settings. Scroll down. Tap on chats. Scroll down. Chat backup. Tap on backup. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.